Hi you guys, welcome back. Man, I cannot believe I'm approaching 2 million views, and I'm 3/4 on the way to 10,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. And if you're new to my channel, please check out my GMC Yukon playlist, where you'll see tons of GMC Yukon repair videos. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these repair videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be replacing my bulbs on my rear passenger seat dome light. I'm going to replace them with LEDs. One of my lights burned out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run our finger around the lens and find a little square slot right there. Now you can insert a small screwdriver, but I prefer using a pick. You can find these at Home Depot for about $3. Comes in a package of 4 or 5 in different shapes. As you unsnap the lens doesn't completely come off. It helps hold up the dome light. Once you have it open, the bulbs are exposed. Do not touch that lit light bulb. It's very, very hot. Now you can go in the engine compartment and pull the fuse, or you can disconnect your battery. I'm going to go ahead and remove the light. It's pretty easy to do. Just slide it out. As you can see, it's got a lip on the other side. Once you have it removed, go ahead and use your pick and unplug the plug. Now that we have it unplugged, we can go ahead inside and replace the bulbs. It's much easier doing it this way. The bulb package I got, you have to separate the LEDs. They snap apart. Just be careful as you snap them. We're going to need 3 of them. I'll leave a link at the bottom of the description where you can find these LED bulbs. Now let's go ahead and remove the lens. Okay, let's remove the old bulbs. Once you have all the bulbs removed, go ahead and pinch the metal clips so they grab onto the LEDs a little better. Once you pinched all of them, go ahead and insert your LEDs. Make sure that the LEDs are faced downward. At this point, you may want to take your lens and wash it with some soap and water or some Windex. Okay, once you have all the LEDs snapped in, go ahead and put the lens back in. Don't snap the lens in just yet. Now we're ready to reinstall it. See, wasn't that easy? Now let's go ahead and plug the light back in. My door is open, so my dome light should come on automatically. If it doesn't come on, just turn the light bulb around 180. It should come on. There you go. Now if you press the button on this light, the light should come on. If it doesn't come on, do the same thing. Just turn the light around 180. By the way, don't forget to check out my GMC Yukon Auto Electric. It has nothing but electrical DIY fixes you can do. Just click above on the right hand corner and it'll take you there. The same thing with this other light. Just press the button. If it doesn't come on, turn it around 180. Alright, we're good to go. Let's get it installed. Let's go ahead and put our lens in. Now just position the light and slide that one lip in first. Once you have it in, just put the light in position and raise up the other side. That lens has to be downward so the light fits in. Once you've got it in, then go ahead and close the lens. And as you're closing it, it locks the light fixture in. Once you got it closed, go ahead and snap the lens in and you're good to go. I really like these lights. They're whiter and brighter, and at nighttime it just looks a lot better. Well, next I'm going to be changing the light bulbs in my cargo area. So watch my next video and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!